Bitcoin is right now breaking out towards the upside, but do not get fooled because we are creating this massive CME gap, and we do know that 99% of these CME gaps tend to get filled. So are we possibly about to see a fake breakout right now? Well, definitely what I'm about to show you is definitely about to shock you. Not many people are going to be prepared for what is about to come for Bitcoin right now. So make sure to push up that like button and let's have a look into what's at short term. And like we did expect, we are right now seeing this breakout towards the upside. Now, while we are seeing this breakout towards the upside, we are actually still trading inside of this downtrend, and we have not yet broken above our most important level of resistance. And at the same time, we are also creating this massive Bitcoin CME gap down below us. And because of this, I think that many people are going to be considering this breakout as a fake breakout. But at the same time, I am actually still in my Bitcoin long position, and I actually still do think that we can be pushing up even more towards the upside. Now, first of all, of course, we are going to be needing to see these confirmations. We need to be breaking above our downtrend. We need to be breaking above this level of resistance in order to see our real confirmation. But what we can be seeing from the last cycle, and this is where it will be getting very interesting. Well, in the last cycle, we actually saw two Bitcoin CME gaps getting created, and then we saw our massive breakout towards the upside above that previous all-time high. And yes, I actually do still think that the metrics are actually looking quite bullish still, but I will be going over that in a minute. But right now, talking about this Bitcoin CME gap, yes, we are creating this massive Bitcoin CME gap, but in the last cycle, we did this as well. And what they did in the last cycle is that many people were actually in disbelief whenever we actually saw that breakout towards the upside, because everyone was thinking that we are getting trapped because of these CME gaps down below us. And well, at the point where the most amount of people were actually in disbelief, well, that was the point where we actually shot above that previous all-time high. And right now as well, I think that many people are going to be going in towards disbelief whenever we are actually going to be pushing back towards new highs. So that is just something you want to go and keep in mind. Now, I am not saying that this breakout is definitely not going to be a fake out, because yes, do keep in mind that 99% of these CME gaps actually do tend to get filled, and we are still actually trading inside of this downtrend. So I want to be seeing some confirmations first. I actually still want to be seeing us breaking above this level of resistance, and then I can be saying with confidence that yes, indeed, we are going to be breaking towards new all-time highs only whenever we are going to be breaking above this level of resistance. But yeah, having a look into what's metrics, having a look into what's the liquidity, definitely most amount of the liquidity is actually starting to form still on that upside. And we are getting very close right now. And actually that same exact liquidity right here is sitting at the same exact resistance level that we need to be breaking in order to confirm our bullish trend. So yeah, it is going to be very important to see the reaction from of this level. Are we going to be seeing a rejection from of this level and just grabbing our liquidity, then pushing back towards the downside? Or are we actually going to be creating this short squeeze and actually break above and push even higher? That is going to be very important to actually have a look into towards. Now, the Bitcoin funding rates are actually still trading very low, and this is going to be indicating me that the market is not at all getting overheated and we can still actually push further towards the upside. Okay, like I've been explaining for many times in the past weeks, well, whenever the Bitcoin funding rates are actually trading low in the Bitcoin bull market, that is going to be a very good time to be entering the market, and that usually indicates that we are going to be getting close towards that Bitcoin bottom. Now, on top of that, we are also still creating our hidden daily bullish divergence. Yes, guys, for some of you guys in the comments, this is not a bearish divergence. It is actually a hidden bullish divergence. Okay, momentum actually decreasing while the price is increasing. This is indicating a hidden bullish divergence. Definitely, this signal is not going to be as important as a regular bullish divergence, but definitely this signal is going to be indicating that we could be getting some upwards momentum. But guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself, make sure to check out that link down below, because you can be claiming this 40,000 US dollar deposit bonus over on Bybit. And without this link down below, it is only going to be 400 US dollars. So you can be doing whatever with this deposit bonus. You can be buying altcoins. You can be entering a Bitcoin trade. So make sure to check out that link down below. Now, if Bybit is not going to be available in your country. Make sure to check out DeepCoin because over there's no KYC required and there are no restrictions. On top of that, you can be claiming $220 by only depositing $100. So make sure to check it out with that link down below. Now, what I want to be telling you guys is that whenever we are actually going to be breaking above that previous all-time high, that is going to be very important. Just like last cycle, like I told you, with the CME gaps, well, if we are going to be breaking above that previous all-time high, that is going to be that moment where Bitcoin is actually going to be going exponential. And I honestly think that something like this is going to be very likely to happen with Bitcoin. Now, most of you guys won't believe that this could be actually possible and this could actually be happening. But while Bitcoin can be going very, very exponential very quickly, just like we have seen in the last cycle, well, this could definitely be possible for Bitcoin. And that is going to be the reason why I'm going to be keeping my Bitcoin long position open. I do not think I'm going to be getting liquidated with this trade, and I am going to be profiting massively from the upside potential. But anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.